Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Qlip English, your cozy place to finally understand English the way native speakers actually speak it.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia. Ready to reveal the secret today?
Today's topic is the secret to understanding fast English without subtitles. And yes, there's a real method behind it, not just luck or talent.
If you constantly rely on subtitles to follow movies, podcasts, or conversations, today changes that step by step with 10 real techniques.
Here's how it works. We'll give you a technique, then a short example, slowly, then at normal speed, so you can train your ear directly as we go.
Let's start with the first secret, listening for chunks instead of individual words.
Example, slowly. What are you doing?
Normal speed, the way natives actually say it. What you doing?
Notice how 4 words basically merge into one sound. Your ear needs to recognize that chunk, not translate word by word.
Second secret, training with repetition instead of constant new content.
Example, slowly. I don't know.
Normal speed. I don't know.
Listening to the same short sentence 5 or 6 times trains your ear far more than jumping to new content every time.
Third secret, understanding reductions on purpose.
Example, slowly. I am going to call you.
Normal speed. I'm gonna call you.
If you've never studied these reductions directly, your brain treats them as completely new words, even if you already know the original ones.
Fourth secret, and this one surprises most learners, stop relying on subtitles completely, even for 10 minutes a day.
Example, slowly. Can you believe it?
Normal speed. Can you believe it?
Subtitles train your eyes, not your ears. Removing them, even briefly, forces your brain to actually process the sound.
Fifth secret, choose content you understand 70 to 80% of, not everything, not nothing.
Example, slowly. What do you want to do?
Normal speed. What do you want to do?
That's exactly the sweet spot where real ear training happens. Challenging, but not overwhelming.
Now, let's go deeper with 5 more secrets most learners never even hear about.
Sixth secret. Pay attention to sentence stress. Not every word carries equal weight.
Example, slowly. I really want to go.
Normal speed, with stress on the key word. I really want to go.
Natives naturally stress the most important word in a sentence, and unstressed words almost disappear. Training your ear to catch stress patterns unlocks meaning instantly.
Seventh secret, shadow immediately after listening. Don't just listen passively. Example, slowly. She's been working all day. Normal speed. She's been working all day. Repeat that immediately after hearing it, matching the rhythm exactly. This connects your ear and your mouth, which reinforces the pattern much faster. Eighth secret. Listen actively for linking sounds between words. Example, slowly. Turn it off. Normal speed. Turn it off, sounding almost like turn it off. Consonants and vowels blend together constantly in natural speech. Once you expect this blending, it stops sounding confusing and starts sounding normal. Ninth secret. Use predictable contexts to boost your confidence first. Example, slowly. Would you like some coffee? Normal speed. Would you like some coffee? Predictable, everyday situations like ordering food or greetings are the easiest place to start training fast listening before moving to complex topics. 10th and final secret, track your progress with recordings, not just feelings. Record yourself understanding a short clip today. Write down what you caught, then try the exact same clip again in 2 weeks. Most learners are shocked at the difference because progress in listening happens gradually and it's easy to miss without proof. Now here's a bonus tip that ties everything together. Combine 2 secrets at once for faster results. For example, take a short clip, shadow it immediately, and specifically listen for linking sounds while you do it. Stacking techniques speeds up training significantly. Another bonus tip. Don't aim for perfect understanding every single time. Even native speakers misheard things constantly in daily life. The goal isn't perfection, it's building comfort with imperfection so your brain stops panicking when it misses a word. One more idea, especially for beginners. Start with slower native content like calm interviews or podcasts before jumping into fast-paced movies and shows. Let me share a real story. I had a student named Kareem, 36 years old, who always watched everything with subtitles, movies, interviews, everything, for years. He genuinely believed his ear simply wasn't capable of understanding fast English, no matter how much vocabulary he learned. We had him try just 5 minutes daily without subtitles, using these exact secrets, starting with chunks and reductions, then adding shadowing after the first week. After 10 days, he told me something that surprised even him. He re-watched a short interview he had struggled with a month earlier. This time, he understood almost the entire thing without pausing once, without reading a single subtitle. By week 3, he added stress patterns and linking sounds to his daily practice, and he told me native English finally started sounding like language instead of noise. The English didn't get easier for Kareem. His ear simply learned how to catch it, one technique at a time. That's the real difference between learners who feel stuck forever and learners who eventually break through. So here's your challenge starting today. Pick one short clip, no subtitles, and apply just 3 of today's 10 secrets to it. Day 1, focus on chunks and reductions. Day 2, add shadowing. Day 3, add stress and linking sounds. Don't try all 10 at once. That's overwhelming. Build them gradually, exactly the way Kareem did. Comment below and tell us which of the 10 secrets surprised you the most today. If this helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Qlip English, and turn on notifications for the next episode. Speaking of what's next, in our next video, we're doing Understand Fast English Part 2, Real Conversations Without Subtitles, where we practice these exact secrets with full conversations, not just short examples. Thank you so much for watching. Your ear isn't broken, it just hasn't been trained yet, and now you have 10 real tools to start. Start today. One chunk, one sentence, one secret at a time. See you next time. Bye.